The System 2000. This is an oil-fired boiler, just so you're aware of what we're looking at here. This boiler, by design, saves anywhere from 15 to 40% of fuel costs for oil-fired people. The left-hand orange light indicates that there was a call for domestic hot water. So the storage tank here has cooled off enough that the internal thermostat over there is asking for hot water. So right now we have an inducer which is on right there, because we don't have a natural draft chimney at my house. And the burner is on, those are the two red lights, and the circulator is on, which is the green light. So right now we're sending heated water through this plate heat exchanger right here, and eventually, oh yeah, that's already getting hot. At some point we're going to come up and there'll be another orange light on over here. So I hope you can hear that. If anybody's looking for a quieter solution to oil-fired heating, some of the boilers installed in our homes today are not in the best locations, and sometimes they're obnoxiously loud. This boiler in particular is not loud, as you can hear at all. As a matter of fact, that inducer is louder than the burner. Let me just show you. You can take the burner cover off. And that's what pretty much everybody else's oil burner sounds like. When we put this back on, nice and quiet. That's not even fastened in yet. System 2000, oil fired. Save up to 40% in certain situations. Quiet as hell.